Hi everyone, welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name is Miss Nina and I am so excited for Storytime today. Before we get started, I want to remind you that we are doing hybrid Storytimes, which means on top of Storytimes online here, we are also doing them in person at the library. The in-person version of these videos for the children's age group are at 4 p.m. on Wednesdays. All right, now that that's out of the way, are you guys ready for Storytime? This week our theme is Christmas. That means this week we're going to read some books about trees and ornaments and Santa. All right, our first book is It Christmas Yet? Written and illustrated by Jane Chapman and published by Tiger Tales. Faster, Rudolph, faster! Yelled Teddy, running around with his toys and his Santa hat. Watch out, Santa, Big Bear grinned. Your reindeer are out of control. Christmas is coming, hooray! Sang Teddy. He just could not wait. Big Bear? Yes? Is it Christmas yet? Not yet. Big Bear? Yes. Is it Christmas yet? Soon. Big Bear? What? Is it soon now? No, growled Big Bear. We have to wrap all the presents, bake the cake, find the tree. I'll help, beamed Teddy. I'm a good wrapper. Zzz. But wrapping was tricky and surprisingly sticky. Is it Christmas yet? Mumbled a tangle of ribbons and paper. Almost, sighed Big Bear, but we still have to bake the cake. Ready, Teddy, cook! Laughed Teddy with delight. Plip, plop, whoosh, splat! Big Bear popped the cake in the oven. Is it ready yet? Sang Teddy. Not yet, Big Bear grumbled. And it's not Christmas yet either. When will it be Christmas? Moaned Teddy. Not yet, huffed Big Bear. We still need a Christmas tree. I love Christmas trees, grinned the little bear. Come on! The woods were speckling with snow as two busy bears searched for their tree. But Teddy was picky. Too spiky, too thin, too small. This one is perfect. Really? Mumbled Big Bear. Big Bear and Teddy heaved and huffed and pulled and puffed all the way home. But the tree would not fit through the front door or the back door. And when they tried to pull it through the window, snap! I don't believe it, moaned Big Bear. Teddy flopped down in a heap. "Oh no!" he wailed. Big Bear gave his little bear an enormous Big Bear hug. "We can fix this," he whispered gently. "Me and you're a great fixer-upper." "Oh, yes," giggled Teddy. Together, the bears taped up their Christmas tree. Soon they were twirling tinsel and scattering stars. "Woo-hoo!" cried Big Bear, tossing the biggest star to the top. Teddy yawned. "Is it nearly..." "Ooh." "Yes, Teddy," whispered Big Bear, carrying him up to bed. "It's very, very nearly." Christmas! All right, that was Is It Christmas Yet? What'd you guys think? Are you super excited about Christmas? All right, our next book is Shhh, written by Julie Sykes, illustrated by Tim Warnes, and published by Tiger Tales. Jingle bells, jingle all the way, sang Santa loudly. "Shh, you'll have to be quiet tonight," said the reindeer, "or you'll wake the children." "I'll try," said Santa, "but I do love Christmas Eve." They flew toward the first house. Santa was so excited, he forgot to land on the roof. He landed in the backyard instead. "Merry Christmas, cats!" roared Santa. "Shh," the cat whispered. "Don't wake the children." "Of course I won't," said Santa. "But..." "Oops!" he cried as he slipped on a patch of ice and crashed to the ground. "Shh," whispered a snowman. "Don't wake the children." "Sorry," said Santa, "but Christmas is my favorite time of year." At the Christmas tree, Santa pulled a jack-in-the-box out of his sack. Bonk! It popped open and hit him on the nose. "Ho, ho, ho," laughed Santa. "Shh," whispered the dog. "Don't wake the children." "Right," Santa agreed. "But..." Bumpity bump crash! Santa tripped, skidded, and fell into the fireplace. Achoo! Sneezed Santa, rubbing soot from his nose. Shh, whispered the kitten. Don't wake the children. Yes, we must be quiet, said Santa. And... as silently as he could, Santa visited many more homes, until at last his sack was empty. To the North Pole, Santa called to his reindeer. Back home, Santa fell fast asleep. All was finally quiet when, munch, munch, crunched the reindeer as they ate their dinner. Shh, whispered Santa's mouse. Don't wake Santa. All right, that was Shh. What'd you guys think? Have you ever caught Santa putting out presents? All right, everyone, thank you for coming to Storytime. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with Storytime. If you come down to the library this week, you can pick up a Storytime kit, which are these fun-filled activity kits that we made to go with the books we read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-ups. This week, our craft is this paper plate Santa, complete with googly eyes. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now we have 2 crates, one for the Monday story times and one for Wednesdays. So you want to make sure to grab the right kits, or you could end up with something completely different. The kits for this story time are in the children's crate. They are the blue ones. We have new kits every week, so make sure to check back in every time we do a new story time. All right, everyone, thank you for joining me for story time. Once again, my name is Miss Nina, and I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a story time kit. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye!